Okay, in this video I'm going to show you a new feature that we're adding into Family Browser R3, and that's cloud storage. The ability to upload your content into a cloud and then share and use it with your users from there, no matter where your location is in the world. So the easiest way to do that is to first of all open up the Family Browser Builder as we would before to make our content. You'll notice a slight difference in this version now. We've by default got a cloud storage node, and if I expand that, that'll show all the files and folders that have already been uploaded to the cloud. And also down here we've got a panel called cloud storage. It's got some buttons and some help and a counter to just show you how many megabytes you've currently got up in the cloud. In my case, just over 50 megabytes here. So the first thing we need to do is push our content to the cloud. Now that's very easy to do. I'm just going to go to the out of the box New Zealand Revit library and just drag and drop that into here. I'm going to go to a folder that I want to push up to the cloud. I'll push up this steel up into the cloud, and when I highlight a folder, you'll notice that this one now becomes available, which is upload to cloud. So we do get the choice once we push this, whether we just push the folder or push this folder plus all the subfolders. So in this case I'm going to I want to just push the steel folder. First of all, I'm going to just make this a little tidier and just add a folder in under here called demo. We'll just call it demo. I want to upload the steel into this demo folder on the cloud. So highlight steel, upload it. Excuse me. Now what this does is it starts a little program that is totally outside of Revit on a different thread, so that once we start the upload, you can actually go back to Revit and continue on your work while it's uploading in the background. Okay, so it's found 18 folders, files to be uploaded 284, include the subfolders, yes, and I do want to put it into that demo subfolder and go OK. Now it'll go away and do it, and as I said, it's actually on a different thread. Just wait until it becomes responsive there. Right, I might need to look at something there. It is on a different thread, so I can be back in here and close out a Family Browser Builder, go away, do what you want to do, and it's still uploading in the background there. So that's fine. We'll just wait until that does upload, finish uploading. It'll tell us. Looks as though I still need to do a little bit of work on this progress bar. It's gone right to the end instead of incrementally going along to where it should be, the amount of percent. We'll just wait until this finishes. As it's uploading, you'll notice the counter going up. By default we have 100 megabytes of free storage space for our users. After that, need to pay for your storage space, and that 100 megabytes we feel is enough. That will give you an idea the speed and how it works. Just a little bit of background while it's doing this. It's not only uploading the content, your RFA files and your type catalog files, it's also creating all the icons for each thing, and we're indexing every single family on the server side. Indexing means we look at the inside of each family, grab all the types and the parameter values for later on for searching advanced search. Okay, it's told me it's done that in 1 minute 52 seconds. That's cool. I'm just going to go OK. Okay, if we now go back into Family Browser and we expand the cloud storage folder and the demo, we've got the steel in here. We'll go to Rebar Shapes, and we've got all the families within that. Right, so to now make these available for Family Browser, I'm just going to create a new library and a new group under that, and I'm going to grab these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 folders which I know I've got families in. We'll create tabs out of them, and we'll go next. So that process, once it's been uploaded, then to get it into Family Browser, is exactly the same as previous. Nice and simple. And we'll go finish. Now we'll go to the new group, and first time you click on a tab, it needs to go and find all the information and then download the icons. It doesn't download each family file, it'll do that later, and you'll notice that each family file now has got a little cloud, an open cloud beside it. And so it's downloaded the icons but not the families themselves, just to speed things up. Now it does cache this to your local, so next time I click on the columns tab, it's going to be nice and quick. Same with the framing. So once they've been cached, really quick. So as I said, they've all been indexed, so there goes all the families. Now if I click on a family or a type, it'll download that family and be ready and available. You'll notice that the cloud has now turned grey. That means that this family has now been downloaded to the local. So if I wanted to insert a family, I just matter of going to grab the type as you normally would, drag it in. You'll notice that downloaded in the background while I was doing that drag, and now I'm ready for placement. And it's telling me it's not visible. That's to be expected. And that all worked as expected, as a Family Browser would if it was local. If I go back to the columns and then back to framing, it understands that these have already been downloaded to your cache. If someone, or the bin manager or someone, re-uploaded this file, it would then be removed from the local cache and then will be re-downloaded again. That's how that works. So give it a test. I'd love to get your feedback on the process of uploading and the speed switching between tabs. Obviously we've tried to make it as fast as possible, but that is one disadvantage of having things in the cloud, is that the initial gathering of the information does take a little bit of time depending on your internet speed. Mine is pretty slow here, that's real. So yours may be quicker, but I'd be keen to get your feedback on that. Thanks.